Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I'm going to upload explanations for the lesson 1, A Girl with Basket. So let's start. The first passage is, the platforms were ... up to spoke English. Dear guys, the reference of this passage can be used for all the passages of this lesson. तो प्रिय बच्चों, जो रेफरेंस इसमें लिखा रहे हैं, इस रेफरेंस को आप सभी पैसेज में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. रेफरेंस. These lines have been taken from the lesson A Girl with Basket, written by William C. Douglas. Context. During his visit of India, the writer travelled from New Delhi to Ranikhet by train. In this lesson, he describes his journey and experiences during this visit. Explanation. In these lines, the author talks about the wayside platforms and the people walking there. On the platforms, there were people of all religions and professions. Generally, they were barefooted and wearing loose white garments. About 33% people could speak English. The author talked with them on the current and major topics. In doing so, he wanted to know their feelings. Now, second passage. This passage starts from at one station ... up to their desire. This was asked in 2009. Reference of the first passage can be used here. Now context. The writer was travelling from New Delhi to Ranikhet by train. He describes the scene of a railway station where the train halted. Explanation. In these lines, the writer says that the train stopped at a station. He was disturbed to talk with the people by a group of children who were selling their hand-woven baskets, fans with simple designs and patterns. These children were of the people who had come from Pakistan after partition. They had no place to live and no business to earn living properly. They hold the baskets high, shouting words the author did not know, but understood their desire, what they wanted. Now passage third. This passage starts from they were poorer ... where they lived. This passage was asked in board exam in 2012, 14 and 16. Reference can be used of the first passage. Context. The writer was travelling from New Delhi to Ranikhet. At every stop, he alighted and talked with the people on the current topics. But at one station, he was surrounded by some children selling baskets. These were refugee children. Now its explanation. In these lines, the author is telling about these refugee children. The parents of these refugee children had to come to India at the time of partition due to religious fanaticism. When they started their journey, they were very poorer and they had very little food and some other items. But their journey was very long and soon their food was exhausted. Now they were hungry and became very weak. Due to weakness, they fell on the wayside and died. Fourth passage. The children selling baskets ... up to overcrowded. Its context. On his way to Ranikhet by train, the author was surrounded at a station by some children who were selling baskets and fans. The parents of these children were refugees who had to come to India from Pakistan at the time of partition. Now its explanation. In these lines, the writer says that the children selling baskets were the sons and daughters of these refugees. These people were very poor, so they gathered in the cities for earning some money. They put the wooden stalls on both sides of the roads. They made simple articles and sold them in the market. There were already many shops, yet they earned some money for their living by selling their articles. Now fifth, it starts from $100 up to market they had seen. This passage was asked in board exam in 2014. Context. On a platform, the writer was surrounded by the children selling baskets. These were the sons and daughters of refugees who had come to India from Pakistan at the time of partition. They were very poor and earned some money by selling simple articles made by their own hands. Explanation. In these lines, the author has estimated the income of the children and wonders how they could meet their expenses of their living. Their income was not more than $2 a week, and that was by selling the handmade baskets. The buyers of these baskets were also poor people living there. The writer was a foreigner and American, so the children thought him a good customer of their articles, and so they surrounded him on all sides like locusts to sell their articles. Dear guys, 5 explanations have been compiled in this video lecture. I hope you must have enjoyed this video lecture. Watch it again and again. Thanks for watching. Bye.